Hello and welcome to Sir Isaac Newton Sixth Form Physics Department. My name is Mr. Watling and I'm here to give you a little a rundown across why you study physics at Sir Isaac Newton. So there are many reasons why students choose to study physics with ourselves. Namely, the main reason is the design of the curriculum. Physics teachers have thought very carefully about the design of the curriculum. Not only does it equip students very well to answer the final exam questions, but it does also give them reasons to search outside of the curriculum, to do further research and to really hopefully inspire them to study physics at a higher level. One of the main reasons why students come to us is that there are 4 physics specialist teachers in the school. We only teach A-level physics, so we know the curriculum really well. So, as I said, we are a specialist. In terms of results, we are regularly, and we have been the top provider in the past, we are regularly up there within the top 3 for Norfolk and East Anglia. In terms of the exam board, we study the OCR A syllabus. You will need to study A-level maths. You will need to arrive with GCSE mathematics and have achieved a level 6+ as well. Many students ask about whether they need to study triple science. That is not the case. You do not need to study triple science. Obviously, many students do study it, and they have a very slight advantage. However, if you haven't studied it, it doesn't matter because you will be party to teaching that will bring you up to the triple science standard pretty quickly. What's involved in the course? Well, there are a series of 6 modules. The first 4 modules being taught within the AS, or the first year, the year 12. So on one side of the course, you are taught the practical skills in module 1, along with foundations in physics and forces of motion. On the other side of year 12, you will be taught electrons, waves and photons by another teacher. Modules 1 to 3, the sum of the duration of those 3 modules is equal to module 4. In year 13, you are taught on one side Newtonian world, which follows on from modules 1, 2 and 3. And on the other side, you are taught module 6, which follows on very nicely and complements module 4 as well. In terms of textbooks and reading lists, many students like to have the recommended text in advance. We will send out in due course the official ISBN number, but we recommend the Pearson OCR A textbooks. If you were to come to study physics with ourselves, you'll also have a subscription to the A-level physics online course, which again complements the delivery of material at Sir Isaac very well. In terms of the resources you'd expect to learn from, teachers have sat down collaboratively and thought very carefully about which materials, which bank of questions we use to grow the student's mind. In addition to that, all the curriculum is available online via the Google Drive, so you can access the material at any place at all with an internet connection. So many students study with ourselves because they like the campus, they like the physics curriculum, but also because we are a science and maths specialist 6th form, lessons are repeated very regularly. That means that students can hear a lesson on a Monday, and if they aren't quite sure about something, they can come back and hear it on a Tuesday or a Wednesday or later in the week as well. So that's a very nice thing students like to utilise. As I already mentioned, the fact that you have 4 physics specialist teachers, students really enjoy that. So all that remains is for me to wish you well with your GCSE exams. I really hope to see you in September 21. If you have any questions about the science department or about physics at Sir Isaac, my email address is on screen. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot and good luck.